stars of tomorrow get their shot in the limelight today as the show's coverage of the Southern League is on the air. Coming up, we've got a good matchup in store between the Biloxi Shuckers and the Jackson Generals. And then briefly, let's take a look at the two starting pitchers who get the assignment here. Jose Mendoza will dig in now. He had a couple of hits in yesterday's contest. A runner at second, nobody out. He's ready now. The pitch out in front as he grounds this one to short. Throwing the dirt, but a good job of staying with it that time as he's retired.
You know, usually I'm going to jump on the hitters when they fail to move runners over, but hey, look, that pitcher, he did a good job. I mean, he knows what they're trying to do, so he makes it as tough as possible to hit the ball to the right side. That's using your head out there.
Catfish Brown will get his first shot now, and you can see how he's done over the course of this 5-game hitting streak.
Brown.
One down. Hey, let's go right here.
Now the first pitch. Here's a slider that's inside, 1-0.
Hey, plays at one now. Hey, come on now, fellas.
Here's the 1-0.
Here we go, guys.
Oh, this ball's laced, and it's going to get down into the right center field gap.
Hit me, two.
And he's in there safely. He's got a double.
Well, no question he's a much better hitter against left-handed pitching. And this year, he's hitting over 400 against lefties. And this is just a great swing as he pulls into second with a double.
One down. Hey, looking back. No more.
Into the box, Hector Gomez, as he'll take a look at a high strike that time. It's 0-1. 264 is average entering play. No home runs as of yet. 9 driven in.
Come on, fellas, let's go. Hey, come on now, come on.
Pause, now the pitch. Pitch is way outside, and he can't even get a glove on it. The throw will go to third, and he is safe at third as he moves up on what's likely to be ruled a wild pitch.
That's just a great job of alert base running right there. You can't just assume he's going to take third and stop there. So once that runner sees they're having trouble with it behind the plate, he just keeps right on going and scores from second base.
Catfish Brown will stand in. He doubled and later scored his first time.
Catfish Brown.
Easy out, plays it first. One down here, fellas.
First offering on the way. A little tardy there. No balls and a strike.
There we go.
Now here's the pitch. Fouled back. Bases are empty, 1 man out. Now here's the pitch. He goes with the slider that time, and it's driven to deep right field. Gone! A mistake on 0-2 gets punished, and it's a home run. A solo shot here to straightaway right field, as it's now a 3-2 ball game.
Well, I've got to say, some days at this place, the ball just seems to jump a little better than others. We've seen quite a few balls hit hard already. This is the first one that leaves the yard, but I've got a sense it's not going to be the last.
Pablo Oliveros will stand in. He grounded out his first time. We're in the fourth. 3-2 is our score. He's ready. Now the pitch. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. And a good throw gets him one gone.
Well, you're not going to advance that runner if you're going to hit the ball right there. This forces him to hold at second base, and depending on how things turn out from here, that could very easily wind up costing you a run.
Catfish Brown will stride in again, and you can bet he'd love to do again what he did back in the fourth. A solo home run here that's been the only long ball of the game so far. First pitch coming. And this is fouled straight back. Pitch on the way. Taken the other way, but this should be routine out there in right field. And the seventh inning starts with a fly out here, one away.
And I'll tell you, I like the way he's handling himself out there. Going after guys, working ahead in the count, he's keeping the ball around the plate. All the things you want to see in a young pitcher.
Catfish Brown will dig in. He homered back in the fourth.
Shortstop, Catfish Brown.
Here's the first offering. Swing and a hard hit ball to second. Throw on to first for the out, and that is how the ninth inning gets underway.
This isn't always the way you want to play it here. I mean, it's late in the game, your guys are losing. It wouldn't be such a bad idea to take a pitch or two. Instead, he chases after the very first pitch, and it's an easy out.
Well, you always hope to get a good outing from your starting pitcher, but this man went above and beyond in this one. He's our top player of the game.
And this is what you want out of your starter. Gives him 7 strong innings, sets things up perfectly for his bullpen to get the final 6 outs. He's going to walk away with a victory. Good job.
So that just about does it. For EK, Psycho, and the crew, I'm Matt Vasgersian. You've been watching MLB The Show. For more, get those smartphones. stars of tomorrow get their shot in the limelight today as the show's coverage of the Southern League is on the air. Tonight, an intriguing matchup between the Biloxi Shuckers and the Jackson Generals. And before we close in on first pitch, a look at the starting lineups here for the finale. And let's also get a brief look at our two starting pitchers as you see how they stack up right there. Catfish Brown will get his first shot down, and he's seen that average climb a bit here recently thanks to what he's done over the course of these last 5 ball games. He's ready now, the pitch. And opposite field as he lines this down the line in right. And that is down for extra bases as this will get 1 home and maybe 2. And the opening salvo is fired here as they take a 1-0 lead.
And it's been a good start for him here so far, that's for sure. You get that first run of the game here on the RBI double, but that second runner has to put on the brakes at third, so it might take him 1 more hit to really get him off and running.
One time, here we go. One out. Hold him right here, guys.
Stepping in now, Hector Gomez, as the first pitch to him is taken low and away for ball 1. PK, let's take a look at our homestanding 9 as they enter play here this evening. They've been playing some pretty good baseball of late as they've won 6 of their last 8 games.
And that last win gets them a step closer to the 500 mark. They can actually reach 500 if they can pull this one out.
Fastball at 94 miles an hour, and it's 1-1. Now, this first inning's been a rough one already. He needs an out here in the worst way.
And you don't want to get caught having to play catch-up this early in the ball game. So you're right. He's got to work his way out of this jam right now.
Now the 1-1 pitch. Down low, 2 balls and a strike.
Well, with every pitch it misses, he just keeps digging himself a deeper and deeper hole.
A 2-1 offering. And this is going to be fouled into the diamond level seats. Sets the 2-2 pitch. A ball hit hard to the left side. And that's in there, base hit. And that'll plate their second run of the game as they take a 2-0 lead.
That's a nice swing of the bat right there. Hits that ball right on the button out to left field. That'll easily score that runner from third.
All right, boy, all right, here we go.
Hey, let it rip one time. He's right here.
Into the box, Gerald Kelly, as he will take strike 1 on the fastball here. No balls and a strike. The average sitting right at 270 on the year. 1 home run and 6 RBI. Runners lead from first and third. Here's the pitch. And a fastball just misses. It's 1-1.
Hey, let's go 2 now. Hey, get a good one. Get a good piece on it, huh? Let's go.
The 1-1. Now a fastball that just misses here as the count moves to 2-1.
And one thing you can't do here, you cannot lose him and load the bases. He's still got a couple pitches to play with, but I'd expect this one to be somewhere in a strike zone.
Hey, let's make a play and hold him right here. Let's go.
Here's the 2-1 pitch. He's fallen behind now, 3-1.
And up at the plate now, he's really in the driver's seat. I don't think they want to walk him, so this should be something good.
Now the 3-1. And that is in there at the letters to run it full 3-2. He may not throw a ton of change-ups here tonight, but he's got a good one when he needs it.
and I think he will need it because this is a good fastball hitting team. Most teams are, so the more you can keep these guys guessing off balance, the better.
Out in front of it as this is pulled down the line to first. And good hustle by the pitcher there on the back end as it's a 3-6-1 double play, and the side is retired. So it's 2 runs on 3 hits, no errors, and a runner left on. On now to the bottom of inning number 1, and the visitors are out in front here, 2-0. Chad Quintero will stand in, and his guys have got something cooking now with 2 on and nobody out.
And down by 2, this is a good opportunity to try to put yourselves level.
The 1-2. Oh, this ball's well hit. It's going to split the gap in left center. Around third and being waved on home. And the runner is in from second. And he will score as well. And this has all the makings of a seesaw affair all game long. We're back to even in the home first. Catfish Brown will stand in. An RBI double to his credit the first time around.
Brown. Get ahead of him right here.
Hey, let's roll 2 up.
Hey, grounder right here.
Pick him up.
First offering on the way. Swing and a miss, 0-1.
And that's the pitch he needs to go back to. That big-time fastball.
Hey, ground ball right now.
Come on now, get 2 ball right here. Yeah, let's do 2
Pause,
ball.
now the pitch. Now a ball pulled hard but fouled off to the left. 3-3 our score with a man on at first and 1 away.
Hey, come on now, get him yourself.
Come on now, here we go, guys.
He's set, now the pitch. And a fastball flew it right by him. They're 2 down.
I love this pitch right here. Just an elevated fastball with 2 strikes. Nothing much to it. He just says, this is just a good old country fastball, and he runs it right by him.
Catfish Brown will get things started here in the top of inning number 6.
Catfish Brown.
There we go.
Here we go now. Let's go.
Now the first pitch.
Yeah, you got it.
Grounded fouled off to the right side.
Here we go.
Here's the pitch. Oh, and it looks like a visit to the video room may be in order after that hack. It's 0-2 now.
Oh, this is exactly where you want that changeup to be. That thing fell right through the bottom of the zone. No chance.
Up there, huh?
Hey, let her rip. Let her rip.
Come on.
Now here's the pitch. And now this is swung on and pulled down the third base line. On the backhand, he knocks it down. But he'll have to just put this one in his pocket, and I'd imagine this will be an infield single to start the inning.
Designated hitter, Hector Gomez.
Hector Gomez will dig in here. 1 for 2. He's singled and grounded out so far. Action in the bullpen now as a right-hander begins to throw out there. Here's the first offering. And a slider's in the dirt as he lays off it for a ball.
Nobody out now. Okay, let's go now. You got this.
Here's the 1-0. Out of play off to the right. It's 1-1. Ready now on 1-1. Had nibbled the corner there, but missed 2-1. You'd have to think a walk here would hasten his exit from the ball game.
Yeah, he can't let that happen. In a close game like this, you gotta make him put it in play.
Here he comes on 2-1. Runner goes for second. Pitches a cold strike. The throw. And in fact, there will be no throw as he loses the handle there on the transfer.
Yeah, I think this was going to be a stolen base anyway. But you can see here in show motion, he looks like he's caught off guard behind the plate to begin with. And then he sort of fumbles the exchange from glove to hand. And at that point, just forget about it.
Here comes a 2-2. And they take him out of the zone here, and he obliges. Not the greatest of swings there for the first out.
You know, it seems like every time we check these out with show motion, it always looks like the bat breaks the plane. Look here, sure enough, I don't think he holds up in time. It looked to me like that was the right call.
Into the box now, Gerald Kelly, as he'll swing and lift a foul ball off to the left and out of play. He's set, now the pitch. Off the plate, 1 ball, 1 strike.
Yeah, he's still sticking with that fastball, but you start to get the sense that it's flattening out just a little bit. That could be a warning sign.
Here's the 1-1. And he pumps the fastball by him here. 1-2 now.
There's not a whole lot of conviction in that swing. It was almost like an afterthought, like an emergency hack.
Here's the 1-2. Swinging a shot back up the middle. Throw gets him, 2 down.
And that ball is rifled at him that time, and it just about took him into left field. Somehow he gets his glove down there and makes a nice play.
Hey, let it fly.
Standing in now, Ned Garcia. And there's a swing and a miss at an off-speed pitch to start him out. 0-1.
And that's exactly where you want to put that thing. Start it right down the middle and trust that its action will cause it to drop.
Here we go. Come on, guys.
Comes set, now the pitch. Now a bullet back up the middle. And that will get down as he delivers a big one here. It's a base hit. And that'll bring in the go-ahead run from third. It's now a 4-3 game.
Just a perfect swing right there. You'll see it head down, eyes right on the baseball all the way. Great extension. He just drives this thing into center field to score that runner from third.
Simon Fajita will step in now and see what he can do with 2 on and 2 out here in the 6th.
Hey, let's get this.
From the belt, the pitch. Pitch is away, but it's swung on and grounded to second. Oh, he has some trouble with it. And now, fortunately, they will get an out here. No runs, a hit, 2 left. 7th inning coming up, and the visiting club leads it 4-3. Joel Morales is on the pitch now as he'll take over to start inning number 7. Robbie Levin will be the first to stand in against the new pitcher as he'll do so with the runner at first and nobody out. We're in the 7th inning now of a 4-3 ball game.
Turn 2 right here. Here we go.
comes set. Now the pitch. Now a ball hit back up the middle. The second for one. On to first, so he comes right out of the bullpen and gets the double play.
And you know what? You just can't ask for much more than this coming out of the bullpen. That's exactly why they turn to him. They get the good matchup, and he comes in and delivers a double play ball to take away some of the pressure.
Catfish Brown will step in. Singleton came around to score his last time.
Catfish Brown. Nobody here, nobody.
First pitch coming. Hammered the other way to deep right field. And he's going to have room to put this one away, and that's the first out.
This guy's one of those unsung type pitchers. He's not the setup guy, not the closer, but these are the guys that keep you in the ball games. And he's doing the job here.
Handful of fine individual performances to choose from in this one, boys, but what do you say we go ahead and let this man take home the hardware? He's our tops player of the game.
Yeah, you see a couple of hits for him in the ball game. This one was tight throughout, but in the end, he really helped lead his guys to this victory.
So that'll put a wrap on things here this evening. For my partners Eric Karros and Steve Lyons, I'm Matt Vasgersian. This has been a presentation of MLB The Show. For more, follow us on Twitter.